How does homeopathy work? Energy medicine. If you're new to my channel, this is episode 3 in the Homeopathy Basics series. Homeopathy is everything one would want in medicine. It is non-toxic, without side effects. It works, it's safe, and it's very gentle. It increases our sense of well-being, increases our resistance to disease, increases our energy and sleep quality, and contributes to mental and emotional well-being. So how does it actually accomplish all of this? To understand, we must view homeopathy as energy medicine. Recall in episode 2 we learned that remedies are made from Hahnemann's method of dilution and potentization. This resulted in remedies beyond a 12C potency that have no remaining molecule left from the original substance. This is where medical establishments in many countries criticize homeopathy and call it a placebo. They state, there is nothing there in the remedy, it's just water, or the effect is purely that of a placebo effect. Placebo is a substance or treatment that has no therapeutic value. Taking a sugar pill, for example, can act as a placebo as it does not have any therapeutic value. If an improvement is seen after taking the placebo, it is usually because of the psychological effect of believing something will help you, and so it actually does. So let's assume for a moment that homeopathic medicine is indeed a placebo. Meet Elena. Elena has been suffering for 2 years with chronic disease. She's tired and frustrated. She's tried every kind of treatment possible. By the time she learns of homeopathy, she's quite hopeless. Elena begins to actually start feeling better after she starts homeopathic treatment. Can this really be called a placebo effect? Why didn't the other treatments before have the same result? Here's Jack. Jack is 14 months old and suffers from teething. He's unable to sleep and feed properly. He suffers daily around 9 p.m. After 2 days on homeopathic remedy, Jack's mother reports that he's sleeping better and feeding much better. His mood and willingness to play has also improved. Placebo effect on a baby? Not likely. They would have to know what pills are capable of to succumb to that psychological effect. So to say homeopathy is placebo every single time it is used to help an individual overcome the illness would not really justify its existence and practice for 200 years. It's also the second most used form of medicine. So how exactly does homeopathy work? Through Hahnemann's dilution and potentization method, see episode 2 for more details, Hahnemann discovered that there was a way to extract vital energy from a substance and increase its therapeutic potential. By diluting, the side effects are reduced, making it non-toxic because there really aren't any molecules left from the original substance. It is beyond the material form. And by potentization, or succussing, shaking vigorously, the therapeutic potential has increased because the remedy is now energized. According to Hahnemann, all living beings have a vital force, or dynamic energy. The goal of this vital force is to keep the living being in its optimum condition, functioning at maximum potential, and maintain balance, or homeostasis. To briefly understand this energy, think of all the involuntary responses your body does without you even being aware of it. Feeling hot, beginning to sweat. In a homeopathic perspective, that is the vital force acting and responding to maintain balance within the body. In the case of perspiration, the act of sweating is a process that releases the heat to cool down the body and maintain adequate temperature for optimum functioning. But from time to time, the vital force can become disturbed. outside agents such as viruses, a negligent diet and hygiene, emotional trauma and stress, and genetic predispositions can contribute towards disturbing the vital force. And when the vital force encounters this disturbance, disease, suffering, sickness, symptoms result from this disturbance. It only makes sense then that if we are beings functioning by an energized life force, then we require an equally energized remedy similar to this disturbance in order to bring us back in balance from any kind of mistunement. Because homeopathic remedies are, in essence, energy medicine, through the potentization, it interacts with the energy of the living being, affecting the entire being in a holistic level, mental, emotional, and physical. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and be the first to know when the next episode is released. If you'd like a specific topic of homeopathy to be discussed, please comment below. Stay well and visit us at dynamichomeopathy.ca.